Hello my crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I wanted to come on today and share with you a card share. I wanted to share this card before I sent it out to a friend. What I basically did was just made a hello card. I used a really pretty background die from my stash. I used some border dies and did it with glitter paper and then the pattern paper. I used some of this Recollection bling that I just picked up from Michael's. I colored up the super cute greeting farm girl and I added glassy accents to her eyeglasses. And I think this card came out super cute. I just wanted to share with you what this card looked like before I mailed it out. I've already written on the inside. I did do my handmade stamp, of course, and I'll just kind of cover this up. It just says "You're spectacular" on the inside. It goes with the stamp set, and then I did use my Creative Time XO border dies to die cut out the inside of the card base. So really pretty. So I just wanted to quickly share my cute card that I made. Super cute hello card. It was really fast and quick to put together. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.